Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna showcase real quick a project that I've been working on, that I've been using to learn how to use the high-level shader language or the GPU programming in Unity. This is in preparation for implementing the marching cubes on the GPU using a compute shader instead of just a normal C# script. So let's just get this project started and I'll explain how it works. So you'll see here a 50 by 50 wall of cubes. Every frame on update, these cubes randomize their position up and down, and their color is being cycled. So if you kind of look closely at this cube down here in the corner, it hits red and then it slightly gets lighter and then it resets, so the position is changing and the color is changing for each cube on every frame. You'll also notice over here on the side I have a repetitions input. What that is going to do is it's just, instead of changing the position and the color once every frame, it'll change it this many times every frame. And so what'll happen is, the position gets changed. If I set this to 5, the position gets changed 5 times a frame, and the color gets changed 5 times in the frame. And so there's a CPU version of this algorithm and a GPU version written in a compute shader. And so that's what this spool here is for. I'm going to toggle between them. I'm going to increase the repetitions, and what you will see is that on this version, the CPU version, Unity will start to lag. But on the GPU version, Unity will not lag. So here we go. CPU versions, I'm going to slowly increase the repetition count. You can already see it lagging. As I get it up to something close to 20, it's, very clear frame lag. So I'm now going to set this to 1 again. I'm going to switch to the GPU version, and now I'm going to bump this repetitions up to 20, and you'll see it just smoothly get faster and faster. Right, here we go, you can see, now it's way faster at 9. We're getting it up to 20. It's a little harsh on the eyes, but it's not lagging. You can see that. There. And again, if I were to switch back to the CPU, it can't handle it. It's like really slow, really jittery, really laggy. And then back on the compute shader, it's nice, fast, and smooth.